Currently, we are living in a world where our physical appearances can tell a lot about ourselves, and that is what makes grooming very important. Grooming not just tells about our personal appearances and hygiene, but it also deals with boosting our self-confidence and personality. And that is why in today's video, we'll be talking about 8 grooming habits that you need to start today in order to look and feel better. Number 1, brushing your teeth twice a day. I know most of you guys know that, but there are a very few guys who actually do that. Brushing your teeth twice a day is very important as it is responsible for maintaining a fresh breath and to prevent your teeth and gums from diseases. The main reason behind the teeth and gum diseases is the bacteria buildup in your mouth, and to minimize this bacteria buildup in your mouth, you need to brush at least twice a day. Not just the teeth but also the tongue, because the main reason behind your bad breath is your tongue. And it would be even better if you can also use a mouth freshener, because all these things together makes your mouth fresh and you kissable. Number 2, manscaping. Come on boy, it's summers, it's time to show off what you got. In my opinion, every guy should manscape. See, here I'm not telling you to completely wipe out all the body hair you got. I'm just asking you to keep it nice and clean. It should not look like this. It should not look like this. Come on, remove that chest hair so that you get to show a nice and clean man cleavage when you button down your shirt. See, the main advantage of manscaping is that when you manscape your body hair, your body muscle looks more detailed. Like for example, when you remove the hair above your abdominal region, it will automatically enhance the look of your abs you have. Long story short, you need to manscape. After all, it's summers. Number 3, getting your nails cut. Not cutting your nails regularly might be the most unhygienic activity you have been doing. From my opinion, every human should get their nails cut in every 10 days. When you don't cut your nails regularly, dirt might get accumulated in between your nails, which further promotes bacterial infection and diseases, which you are very likely to transfer to others. Facts aside, it doesn't look good. Your dirty nails can make someone feel uneasy, and no one would ever like to shake hands with someone who has dirty nails. Number 4, wash your face at the right time. Now there are many people who wash their face irrespective of whether they should be doing it or not. There are even people who have scheduled the time for their face wash, that like they'll do once in the morning and once in the evening. There should be no specific routine for that. But yes, you can wash your face with water time to time so that you can minimize the amount of dirt on your face. The reason why I'm telling you not to use face wash multiple times a day is because excessive use of face wash can lead to skin damage and make it dry and rough. Number 5, remove that patchy beard. See, either you have this or you have this. Now what on earth is this shit? See, I understand you want a nice beard because there are many people who have been craving for the same, but boy, that is not the solution. If you know what I think, shave them right away, and if you're too afraid to shave them, at least get them trimmed, but please get yourself rid of this piece of patches of beard. Number 6, use a moisturizer. Now moisturizing your skin is again an essential one. Moisturizing your skin on a daily basis reduces skin problems, and it also reduces chances of developing extreme dryness or oiliness. But ignoring the use of moisturizer can lead to common skin conditions like acne. Regular use of moisturizer can prevent premature lines and wrinkles, and it also ensures that your blemishes are perfectly camouflaged, and above all, it also smoothens your skin. And if you think that using moisturizer makes your skin look oily, then you can always use it in the night before going to the bed, like I do. Number 7, use cologne. Now this is something you cannot ignore. Cologne is something which can elevate your outfit like this, and there is absolutely no one who doesn't want to smell good. But there are a few things you need to keep in mind. Number 1, where to apply. Number 2, how much to apply. So the places where you can apply your cologne are the wrist, one here at the collarbone, and one behind the neck. One behind the neck so that when you walk, you leave a trail of scent behind you. Now another common mistake most guys make is applying too much of it. 3 to 5 sprays are sufficient. Don't overdo it. And finally, number 8, combing your hair every day. Do you guys know why was this thing invented? What is the purpose of inventing this thing? Yes, initially it was invented for untangling your hair, but it not just untangles your hair, but also it keeps them healthy. Now you'll wonder how this thing keeps your hair healthy. See, I'll tell you. Your scalp produces natural oil, but this natural oil is not capable of reaching the entire length of your hair. Now this is what this thing does. Comb is responsible for uniform distribution of this hair oil to the entire length of your hair. And therefore by combing regularly, you not only increase the quality of your hair, but you also protect them from a few hair problems. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, drop us a like down below. Thanks for watching. See you next week.